Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2014 utility, 45 foot long by 102 wide with a universal mounting kit on the back. This unit has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Aluminum combo in excellent condition. Folks, you can see the beams have been blasted, primed and repainted. This unit comes with a brand new buyer's toolbox on the passenger side. Sliding spring ride suspension, aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums. As we get to the back here, you can see the universal mounting kit. Carries a Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at all of our available lifts ready to come work for you. Aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brakes and drums, turbo blasted, primed and repainted. All of our trucks and trailers do get new straps. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.